Welcome. Today's video it is regarding the introduction to the transcriptome and the transcriptomics. Transcriptome it is the full complement mRNA produced by the genome. Means what? Here it is the genome which is present into the nucleus, and over this genome there is the presence of the genes, and that genes they are now getting expressed. Expression of the genes means what? Transcription and translation. That is, from the gene, the mRNA it is going to be synthesized, that is a transcript it is going to be formed, and that transcript, from that transcript, that mRNA, the translation it is going to be there. Okay, so the gene expression, it is the transcription and the translation processes. So here it is a genome, and on the genome there is a presence of the genes, and from these genes there is a expression, and here there is the synthesis of the mRNA. So from the genes, there will be the synthesis of the mRNA, that is there will be the transcription and the transcript, that it is the mRNA it is going to be synthesized, that it is called as the transcriptome, or in the simple way it is a complete set of the mRNA synthesized from the complete set of the genes over the genome. Now here these transcriptomes, they are going to differ by cell. Now we will take an example here. Okay, here it is a beta cell of the Langerhans, or the beta cell of the pancreas, and here there is the presence of the alpha cell of the pancreas, or the alpha cell of the Langerhans. Okay, these are the two cells. Now when you look at these two cells, the genome of that two cells, it has the same genome. The content it is the same. The genomic content it is the same for the beta cells as well as for the alpha cells. Still the alpha cell it is alpha cell, and the beta cell it is a beta cell, because there is a differential gene expression which is going to be in a beta cell and a alpha cell. When you look at the expression pattern of these two cells, you will find out that in the beta cells you are going to find out the mRNA, and that mRNA it will be for the insulin. Okay, the mRNA it will be for the insulin, and here in the alpha cell you will find out the mRNA it is for the glucagon. Means the genes for both of the hormones they are present in both of the cells, but only one cell it is only going to synthesize one type of the hormone. Okay, so in this way the two cells, though there are the two cells, the transcriptome of the two cells now it is going to differ. As the cell type it is going to differ, transcriptome it is going to differ. And here the another thing about it is what? According to the environmental condition also the transcriptome it is going to change. Now suppose a cell it is going to divide. Okay, suppose a cell it is going to divide by the mitosis. So in the mitosis there are the phases. It is a prophase, then there is a metaphase, anaphase, and a telophase. Okay, mitosis it is divided into the four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. Now suppose a cell it is going to divide. Okay, it is going to make the two daughter cells. At that time it is going through these four phases. Okay, a cell it is a same type of an cell, but if one cell which is in a prophase, a cell which is into the metaphase, a cell which is in the anaphase, and a cell which is in the telophase, the transcriptome of these four cells it is going to differ, because the cells they are in the different phases of the mitosis. So not only the two different types of the cells they are going to differ into the transcriptome, but the same type of an cell which is at a different time interval, or which is in a different various types of the environment, that cells it has also it has also the different types or the variable of the, there is a variance into the transcriptome. Okay, so according to the timeline or according to the time, according to the environmental condition and according to the different types of the cells, the transcriptome it is going to vary. Okay, so the transcriptome it is going to be named. Okay, it is going to be named as the, suppose here we have taken the mitosis. Okay, it is present into the cell cycle. So you may say that is cell cycle transcriptome. Okay, means the transcriptome which is present during the cell cycle. Okay, so like how we can also say that the human beta cell transcriptome, human alpha cell transcriptome. So here the transcriptome it will be named from where that particular transcriptome it has been derived, or the mRNA it has been collected, the mRNA it has been analyzed from the cell. Okay, that it is the transcriptome. And the methods which are going to analyze these transcriptomes, the methods which are going to analyze these transcriptomes, that it will be called as the transcriptomics. Okay, and why this transcriptome study it is required, why the transcriptomics it has to be studied? It has to be studied for the purpose of the global expression profiling. Or you may also say that the global expression profiling it is studied with the help of the transcriptomics. Okay, in the global expression profiling, okay, the RNA and the proteins they are used. Okay, here in the today's video we are talking about the RNA, we are talking about the transcriptome. So here the global expression profiling it is using the RNA. And here there is the study of the RNA, there is a study of the transcriptome. For which purpose? For the global expression profiling. Global expression profiling it is nothing but to find out the functions of the gene. What is the function of the gene? When and where the genes they are getting expressed. That it is going to be analyzed. Okay, when you are saying that I have to find out, or you have to find out the gene function. And for that purpose, previously the expression profilings they are used. Expression profilings means what? Expression profilings they are used previously. Here it is also going to find out the gene functions, but when there is finding out the gene functions, at that time gene by gene, that is a single genes they are analyzed, and then the data it is collected and it has been analyzed, and it was just like to solve a puzzle, and the work it was a tedious one. So to make the work simpler one, there is the incoming of the global expression profiling. In that thousands of the genes they are analyzed in one experiment only. Okay, so that the variations they are not going to be there, and the work it will not be as tedious as the expression profiling done by the gene by gene techniques. Okay, so here the expression profiles, global expression profiles, profiling, it is there. For which purpose? To find out the expression profiles of the cells. And here why it is required? Why to study this transcriptome? Why to study transcriptomics? Or why you want a global expression profiling? It is to characterize the different stages of the cell, different states of the cells during the development. Okay, during the development of the organism, the cells they are going through the various stages, and that stages it has to be characterized, and for that purpose you can use the transcriptome. As the same way here you can find out the differentiation of the cells, and also you may go for the cell cycle phases. What is going to be difference? Okay, what is going to be difference into during the cell cycle phases? It can be analyzed with the help of the transcriptome. Then identify the biomarkers. Now there are the disease conditions, there are the healthier conditions. So here, okay, what is going to happen when there is the cause of the disease, or whenever there is any disorder? Okay, in the disease condition or in the disorder condition, which are the genes which are getting expressed. So by finding out that gene product, okay, by finding out that gene product, by finding out that particular RNA, it can be said that this it is a particular gene or this it is a disorder. So that particular gene, the expressed gene, it is going to work as a biomark. Next, here the distinguish disease stages and subtypes. It is particularly regarding to the cancer. Okay, during the cancer progression also there is a differential gene expression. Number of genes they are switch on, number of genes they are switch off, some they are amplified. That expression pattern it can be studied, and you know that the cancers they are of the various types of the cancers. Okay, so that various types of the cancer it has to be differentiated, and for that differentiation of the cancers you can use the transcriptome. I think you may have cleared the idea about the transcriptome and the transcriptomics. In the coming videos, we will learn the methods like the DNA microarray. Okay, like my video, please subscribe my channel and also share my videos with your friends so the knowledge it is going to spread. Thank you.